Thanks for tuning in DigiNews. I'm your host, Amanda. Along with the new AIoT cloud solution launched by DigiwinSoft months ago, several workshops and seminars have been held successively for market education. With the aligned idea of advancing digital transformation in the manufacturing industry, the Federation of Malaysian Manufacturers, FMM, co-organized an event with DigiwinSoft Malaysia, curated for SMEs on October 17th and 21st. There are both English and Chinese sessions to cover topics in detail, not only discussing the ongoing trend in the industry, but introducing a Kanban dashboard specified for the enterprises to manage the production floor effectively. While the Parliament announced Malaysia's Budget 2023 on October 7th, the business partner of DigiwinSoft Malaysia, Cheng & Co., has briefed about the info on grants and incentives in the seminars too. This latest policy could be helpful in the SME company's operation. Meanwhile, DigiwinSoft always pays attention to the local team. On October 19th, DigiwinSoft Vietnam held the Digiwin Smart Manufacturing Alliance Founding Conference in Ho Chi Minh City to recognize the distributors' contribution and to recruit more potential partners. Collaboration with teammates from different fields, such as SI and consulting companies, can provide one-stop services and total digital solutions for clients.
It is undeniable that joint force may make a group stronger. We truly believe in this principle, so we decided to organize Digiwin Smart Manufacturing Alliance. The Alliance partners commit the same goals and mission together, which correspond to the different levels needs of customers.
Next, we would like to share a successful case study. DigiwinSoft Malaysia has worked with MS Soft Solution, one of the distributors, to help a metal mold manufacturer in Penang implement the on-site management system, SFT. TBL Industrial Supply Syndrome Berhad has well-organized financial account, yet they found the need for production progress tracking to win more orders. The project was launched within 2 months and immediately showed benefits in terms of machine utilization rate, order delivery rate, and customer satisfaction. If you want to read or watch more content about the events mentioned above, feel free to click the link in the description, and we hope this can bring more insightful digital transformation ideas for you. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.